Hi, my name is James from Goodman Sparks. Today we're here at Reckitt Benckiser just to show you how to change your lint filter on a Line 5000 Electrolux tumble dryer. It's very simple. You turn the dial here, open the flap, gently slide out the lint filter, brush off any lint on the filter and replace.